Regrettably, we don't have much video of Tyler driving the tractor. If we show Tyler spreading some millings preparatory to compaction, I'm not sure whether I was shooting this or whether Nana was, but I was not sitting on the roller at the time. But we had kind of split jobs. I was driving the roller, and Tyler was driving the tractor. So there he was taking a break from driving the tractor to spread the millings with the rake. And now we'll see Tyler on the tractor. And great confidence and great skill, turning around and head back down to the pile to bring another load of millings. He probably moved over 30 tons of millings in this paving project, and he was a pleasure to work with.